what we've all seen over the last year is how fragile the economy has got because of the pandemic, and even, the economy was a little bit shaky before the pandemic, in certain industries anyway. Unfortunately, for a lot of people, their only source of income is that one job that they are in, or that one business they are running. The problem is when that reliable 9-to-5 job disappears, or that company that person is running actually goes downhill and ends up in serious trouble. People find themselves in financial trouble, and that's not surprising because that is their only one single source of income, their one single stream of income. Very, very dangerous, which is why it's imperative for everyone these days to have, in today's economy, to have more than one stream of income. And if you haven't got more than one stream of income, all that needs to happen is, you lose your job. You're in an industry that's suffering because of the pandemic or the recession, and you suddenly are in financial trouble. And that is a no-no, guys. My question is, do you have more than one stream of income? I've seen people over the last year who were very comfortable running very healthy businesses become literally broke and had no other stream of income whatsoever. And that has a knock-on effect. They can end up losing their home. They can end up in real deep financial trouble, in debt for many, many years. So guys, what I'm trying to say here is you need to seriously think about having a, financial backup. You all need multiple streams of income, even if it's just one other stream of income, where if you did lose your 9-to-5, you've got another stream of income, which is where I come in. So you all know that I'm in the surplus and excess inventory business. This is an opportunity. This is a real pandemic-proof, recession-proof opportunity that you can get involved in from home. You can literally make money on the side of your 9-to-5 or on the side of your existing business, just as a nice little regular stream of income. And this is what a lot of my students are doing on the side of their 9-to-5s. They're making an extra few hundred or even few £1,000s or dollars on the side of their 9-to-5s. This is an opportunity based around contacts. So if you've got contacts, which you already have, this is a very easy and simple opportunity to get into. And you can make an extra stream of income on the side of your 9-to-5 very easily. I teach all this inside my coaching programs. One of the main reasons that I see with a lot of people is that they love the idea of doing stuff, and they try and figure it out themselves. They try and find the answers online or on YouTube and places like that. And the problem is that free, when you try and find information for free, that is basically the long way round of trying to make money. The quick way round is, it's not the how, it's the who. So the who is me. I'm the person who's been in an industry for 30 years. You can invest in yourself, take the shortcut, take the short route into this industry by learning off a guy who's been in the game for many, many years, who basically spent many years of trial and error. You don't have to get involved in all that trial and error side of things. You can basically follow the methods that I figured out that do work in this business. This is probably one of the best online, even work from home opportunities out there today, because it is recession proof, it is pandemic proof, it's crisis proof, and there are lots of opportunities to get an extra stream of income on the side of your job. If you are just relying on one stream of income, it's so dangerous just to be relying on one form of income. Very, very dangerous indeed. You always need to be thinking about another side income that you can get into, even if it's something that you can do for an hour or 2 hours a day on the side of your job. If you want more security, you want to bulletproof your income and basically, take out insurance on if you ever lose your job or your business is in trouble, you've got another form of income coming through to take that pressure off you if that scenario happens. The economy can be so fragile, and unfortunately for most people, their only source of income is their day job, and that is so dangerous. If that 9 to 5 disappears, you're just going to end up in financial trouble. You just are. Guys, if you want to get an extra income stream on the side of your 9 to 5, please send me a message. I'll send you a link to some free trainings, and then at the end of the training you have an opportunity to book a call with me to see if you're a good fit for us, we're a good fit for you, and see if I can help you move forward to earning an extra income stream. See you soon.